This is Karate Kid style. Alright, hey, it's Coach Jarrell again. We're here. We're going to work on the difference between a front kick and a push kick. Okay, so front kicks, they're really simple. These are for more like growing strikes, really fast. You just want to get a quick snap out of that kick. So I'll do it one time fast so you can see them, and then we'll break them down. So front kick is here. Just a quick snap kick. You're hitting with the bottom part of your foot. You do not want to hit with your toes. They will break. Be very careful to make sure you don't hit with your toes. And the difference between that and a push kick, I'm going to push out. It's like I'm hitting somebody in the sternum. I can attack with the knee. Difference is that way. So I bring my hands up, I bring my knee in nice and tight, I extend out. Okay, that's the difference. So breaking those two down, first one is that front kick. What I want to do is, I keep my toes pointed forward, I keep my hands up. I'm going to bring my knee up nice and high. Okay, I don't want to point my toes on this one. Keep my hands up. From here, I'm just going to do a quick snap kick. Quick snap, hit with the bottom part of my foot, bring it back, set it down nice and slow. Use your hips, okay? Push those hips forward to get a little extra power in there. So I come up, get those hips moving, okay? Now with our push kick, I want to bring my knee in nice and tight. You have to show the bottom of your foot. So when I bring that knee up, push your hips forward, out, I extend, and I'm going to push. And I bring it back. Okay, so we'll do that one time fast. Knee up, push it out. And there's your push kick. Okay, so that's the difference between a front kick and a push kick. Front kicks, we go for mainly the growing. Okay, it wants to be a quick snap. Push kicks, we're either going for the sternum or the knee. On these bags, make sure you fully extend that foot. Okay, so one time with that front kick. So when we do our front kicks, we'll do it slow one more time. Get that knee up. Don't point your toes. Don't show the bottom. And I'm just going to do a quick snap. And I bring it back. One time fast. Okay, for that push kick, remember, knee into your chest. Nice and tight. Show the bottom of your foot this time. Extend it, kind of like a push, an actual push, and bring it back. So I bring my knee in, hips out, extend, and push. Okay, one time fast. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget the difference between those front kicks and push kicks. Don't try this at home. Whenever you say go.